Hi all, Rene here. I just got my Craft with Heart scrapbooking subscription for January through April, and I thought I'd go ahead and do an unboxing with you. This box is always so hard, and you can see how big the box is. It's always so hard to get on camera. So let me go ahead, grab everything out of the box, and we'll put the box aside. So I do get my 30 free prints with Persnickety Prints because I buy a year at a time. If you buy a year at a time, you get 30 free prints with each one of your shipments. So that comes out to 90 free prints a year. So I'll hang on to that. That's got my little code in it. And let's put these in order and we'll go through. We will go through each one. So this is the January layout. And I'll give you a quick look at how it looks. Oh, cute, cute. This really isn't my kind of thing, but I think I might have a use for that. This one is definitely neat. Family makes a house a home. That is so great. And the kit comes with all of your photo placeholders. It comes with your page protectors. So I'll go ahead and slip those back in. And it comes with all of your pre-cut papers. There's your photo placeholders. It comes with all your pre-cut papers. It comes with any kind of mats that you may need. This looks like a journaling card. It comes with your stickers, and the stickers are our normal, pretty hard cardstock stickers. So that's what those look like this time. It comes with all of your die cuts. And it comes with all the paper you need for your two-page layout. So you get 4 total pages. So that's January. So we'll put that aside. We'll pull in February. And I always get excited to see the last 2 months of the kit because it sometimes gives us a little bit of a sneak peek as to how what the papers and colors are going to look like for the next catalog. Because our catalogs go, for those of you who don't know, our catalogs go in 2-month increments, and then we have 1 annual catalog. But the 2-month increments are the ones that have all the special stuff. So here is February. Oh, butterflies. Love this so much. That's really cute too. It's got a plaid. Love the plaid. So we've got our photo placeholders. We've got our stickers. Wow, these are great big stickers. Look how big those are. And then we've got our die cuts. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, so pretty. And that's great too. Love that. Okay, so we'll put that off to the side. That's February. And so now we get into looking at March and April. So let's see if we can see some sneak peeks as to what the colors and the papers are going to be. So of course you get your page protectors, you get your pre-cut paper sheets. That's really pretty. And let's see what these layouts look like. Oh, so cute. Lucky me. That's really fun for St. Patrick's Day. And that's a nice little layout. That would be great for some kid photos for sure. I'm glad they use kid photos in it because that fits perfectly. You got your photo placeholders and your stickers. I love that wood green. Oh, look, this is so bright. I didn't expect the green to be that bright. That's awesome. I love that. And then let's look at the papers. Oh, little shamrocks. So cute. I think I have this one upside down. Yes, that one was upside down. So cute. I love how these have so much pre-printed already because that just really saves you a lot of time when you are putting your pages together. And there's the second page. Some polka dots. And let's look at the final one. This is April. Let's get April out of its little bag here. Okay, so again, we've got our page protectors. We've got our pre-cut. Oh, I love the brightness so far. Let's see what the layouts look like. Oh, this is amazing. I love this. Oh, I hope we get some paper with that, with those flowers. Oh, and this is so cute. I don't know if you can see it. Let me try to show you a close up. It's almost like it's stars, but in constellations. Oh, we had some paper several years ago that had constellations on it, and I loved that paper. I think it was called Stargazer. I might have that wrong. So our stickers. Oh, I love these flowers. Oh, look at the die cuts. Love those colors. These bright colors are so me. Oh, love this. I have the hardest time getting circles placed exactly where they're supposed to go. So this is wonderful. And I love this tealy, like linen. That's really pretty. I hope we get some paper like that. Yep, and there's the constellations. You can see it a lot better on this paper. Very cool. I love that. Okay, so that was the Craft with Heart January through April subscription kit. If you'd like more information about the subscription kit, just check out the link that I'll have down below for you. If you have any lingering questions, please just leave me a comment. I'll be happy to answer those questions. Also, I would like to formally invite you to join my VIP group that's on Facebook. There is no cost associated, and we just have a lot of fun with all kinds of crafting, and you can post your own projects in there. I welcome that. I'll also have files in our files section that will give you some free cutting guides and some other types of tutorial information as time goes on. We've got one in there now from my very last video, so I hope you take a chance to go check that out. If you have, like I said, any questions, just leave me a comment down below. I will be very happy to get back with you, and I hope you're having a great day. I will be back soon to put together the January kit. Bye.